Welcome suppliers. Let's start the journey of learning how to upload good quality catalogs. Catalogs with complete and detailed descriptions make it easier for the customers to discover, identify and buy products. And by following a few simple guidelines, you can increase your product reach to millions of customers. Let's understand how. 1. Improve discovery. While searching for a product, a customer fills in specific details. Adding these details to your product description will ensure that customers don't miss out on your product when search filters are applied. 2. Quick and easy buying decisions. Please ensure that accurate information is filled, as it makes it easier for the customer to make a faster buying decision. Product listing with missing details is a customer lost, even if your product met their requirement. 3. Potential reduced customer returns. Filling in detailed product information also helps in reducing the frequency of the returned orders. Customers often return products due to lack of critical product information on the product detail page. Make sure to add all the relevant details to reduce the order returns. These 5 simple practices can help you maintain a good quality catalog. 1. Choose correct category selection. Here, we learn the right way to select a category and the importance of correct category selection. How to select the correct category for your catalog? You can either navigate through the category tree or type the category name in the search bar. Why is it important to upload products in the right category? Customers will not be able to discover your products if uploaded under the wrong category. What will happen if you upload catalogs under the wrong category? The catalog will have a risk of deactivation. 2. Provide accurate and high-quality images. Product images are the first thing a customer looks at while making a purchase decision. The better your product looks, the better are the chances that the customer will click and buy your product. Uploading more than one image of your product that explains and illustrates the product makes it easier for the customer. But it's simple. You don't need a professional photo shoot. Just keep the following guidelines in mind and feel free to take pictures using your phone camera. Product images are of 2 types. Main image. The main image should be the front image of the product. Additional or secondary images. Click pictures of your product from different angles, product in use, product packaging, size and scale of the product, etc. Use this to highlight the distinguishing features of your product. Some do's and don'ts. Avoid blurred images. Avoid images with watermark or text. Make sure that the main image shows the front of the product clearly. Avoid cropped or partial images. 3. Fill in both compulsory and optional details. Try to fill both the compulsory and optional details while uploading catalogs. What are compulsory and optional details? All the fields that are compulsory contain the core details of the product. For example, if the product is a pair of jeans, then color, fabric, and stretch become the compulsory attributes. All the fields that are optional contain important information that the user refers to in order to make informed decisions. For example, if the product is a sari, then blouse color, pattern, and print, etc. become optional attributes. In bulk upload Excel templates, all the cells with red-colored top cells are compulsory to fill, whereas all the cells with green-colored top cells are recommended or optional. In case of single upload, fields with red asterisks next to them are compulsory attributes without which you can't proceed with submitting your catalogs. Make sure that you enter correct and complete information in both these fields. Filling all the fields accurately helps the customer make a quick decision and also helps them get a better understanding of the final product. 4. Product description. Adding key features implies adding all the additional information of your products in the description field, which can help the customers make an informed decision. Let's see a few examples to understand this in detail. Let's take another example for this cookware set. Some quick tips. Don't include any website URL or any other link in the product description. No promotional language such as sale or free shipping. 5. Provide a good product name. A good product name has 4 basic elements. Let's take product name Kurta and Palazzo set for example. The product name here describes the type of product but doesn't give the customer a reason to choose your product over other options. Whereas trendy Arshia green cotton kurta, it not only lets the customer know the type of product but also gives them a brief overview of the product. Keep these 4 elements in mind to give your product a good product name. Have a balance. While selecting keywords for your product title, the common mistake that most of the sellers make is that they add search terms with high volume to the product names, without even considering the relevance of that keyword. Doing so sends irrelevant traffic to your product listing, leading to a high number of bounces. Customers who are landing on your listing but are leaving without buying one. Some quick tips. Don't include price. No promotional messages such as discounts or sales. And now you're all set to not just upload a catalog, but a good quality catalog. Happy selling!